Sit-ups are a different thing. I do 100
Man,
sit-ups a day.
we in the dang middle of the thing. Y'all go ahead and open the door. Look a bee.
Where?
Just let you know that we're coming up on
No.
spring.
No. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Where'd that go?
You know what? They have to come back.
Okay.
What is this?
So this is what's known as a tankless water heater.
A tankless?
Yeah. So the big old thing that was there.
Tankless?
Yeah. So it's a tankless.
I don't know what happened to my face. Does it still go out the same hot water?
What?
Yeah, it's supposed to.
Maybe more or less.
It's supposed to be the same. Well, it's supposed to go instantly. You want to go see where the other one is?
Mommy wants some
Yeah, I know I should have. Something said get your phone. Go closer.
Don't come closer.
It's a cat.
It's an actual.
Get it out the house.
Mama, I found it.
And who picked it up?
It's D.
No, cause
Mommy, it's D.
You
remember the one cat?
So I was
that had
burying
babies?
the cat because it smelled like fish. I was burying the cat because it smelled like fish. And I'm calling back up, right? I get stabbed. I look, I'm like, ugh! It's like that claw right there.
Did you just throw it in my yard? No, ma'am.
Are you about to pick it up again?
Yes.
Nasty,
Yeah, I
bro.
saw that. I want to know who wrote it.
Probably Isaiah.
Right.
Can I see?
No.
Oh, I know where it is. I threw it at him.
Where do you want me to put it?
Not in my yard, Anaya. I don't know why you took it from underneath Granddaddy's house to drop a cat claw in my front yard. Handle that, ma'am. And you scratch your head. You're nasty.
Sanitary.
Oh no, this might be a good thing. It might keep the cats from being in our yard.
No.
The dead one. Oh, this is a fossil. A missing homie that we don't know about. Meanwhile, all right now, Quan. All this sneezing. Come, you can see.
Tonight, go put it in front of the
I'm
other
not
cats.
my bad. Oh.
So officially stand next to it and see just how tall it is.
It's not that tall.
It's still taller than you. Is it still taller than Ronnie? Oh, Ronnie has eclipsed it with a forehead. And so it's considered 80 gallons. In other houses, they have small ones that are like 20 gallons. But we never had to worry about water. Yeah, you almost died. Ooh, you almost died. But this is going to be officially gone after. We're not worried about it. They're going to do what they're going to do. And it's up out of our house. So, it's that.
I wonder.
With the pixelation here, let's see. This girl is taking the dang on thing across the street to the other cats. Is she trying to beat up the... Oh boy. That's your folks. Yeah. Ooh, buddy.